Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the tracker charged and an active SIM. Now power it on. First, confirm battery reads 80-100% so cold starts are reliable. Next, insert the SIM or activate the eSIM and enter APN info in settings. This lets the device transmit data. Once done, open the mobile app, sign in, and add the unit using IMEI or QR code. This pairs hardware to your account. Make sure location permissions are granted so real-time fixes display. Now you configure how the tracker reports and conserves power. In the app, select an update interval. Choose 10 seconds for live tracking or 60 seconds to extend battery life. Then create geofences by tapping map points or entering coordinates and set alerts for entry/exit. This reduces unnecessary polling. Once configured, pick a power profile. Motion-activated saves battery by waking on movement, while continuous GPS gives constant accuracy. Make sure cell signal is finished by placing the tracker where it has a clear view of the sky. Avoid metal boxes or thick concrete. Exterior mounting with adhesive or zip ties works well. Take a short test trip and watch the app for live location, speed readings, and geofence alerts. This verifies the whole chain. If the device goes offline, first check SIM balance and APN, then inspect antenna and battery contacts. If problems persist, reboot the tracker and resync in the app to force a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.